What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back in the video on this beautiful day, y'all. And we're gonna be harvesting melons. We're gonna be doing melon taste test. And I don't mean Kroger style melons. I mean one of a kind melons that you can't get nowhere else. Better stay tuned. All right, y'all. I bet y'all thinking, what are these exotic melons you talking about? This is a canary melon. And the stem is starting to turn brown and die. I thought I could just push it off. I can't. That is a canary melon, y'all. Oh, we're gonna do a taste test on this too, y'all. So what I have here is this. I don't think it's gonna be big enough to do what we need to get done, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. Here we go. So the next thing up, without stepping on any vines, this is gonna be hard. All right, it's another canary melon. It's not ready yet. So we're gonna move on over to the Indian honey melon. And look at the stem falling off, y'all. Move out the way, Lee. The stem is falling off right there. So we're just gonna gently pull that off. Oh, Indian honey melon. Oh my God, eat your heart out. We're finna do a taste test.
100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven.
All right, it's time for the taste test. All right, this was a smaller watermelon, and I pulled it off because it was getting a bad spot on the bottom. It's an orange tenderloin, tender sweet tenderloin. Why would I say tenderloin? Tender sweet watermelon. I'm gonna give it an old taste-a-roo. This is an Indian honey melon, and this is a canary melon. Ooh. All right, let's try this tender sweet. It's edible. It's edible. I feel like in the refrigerator for a little while it'll taste better. No, but it could go a whole lot riper. You know what I mean? It's orange, but it ain't orange. You feel me? And actually, that sliced better than the first one. No, it wasn't where it could be. But these Indian honey melons, look here. If you like cantaloupe, get some Indian honey melon. To me, it tastes like a sweeter version of a cantaloupe. And it look cooler. But they are smaller, with less meat, or the ones I've gotten out so far. Yeah, I ate one of them before. They're delicious. That is my thing, though. So we 1 for 2. 1 for 2. So something I haven't ate out of my garden, Canary Melon. I'm thrown off by the color because it's a pinkish peach color. So we're gonna see what it is. Winter chicken dinner. It's a honeydew melon with a gentle breeze blowing over the Indian Ocean with a speck of floral honey. Honeydew melon. That's what it tastes like. This one got a little darker spot on them. See, that's sweeter. This is awesome. This Canary Melon is awesome. Look at him, man. Showed you the harvest. Showed you the fruit. Even tasted it for you. Now, you gotta hit the like button for that. Really? Hit the share button. Comment. Do whatever you want to do. I don't care. I've done it all. I did everything I can do in this video. All right. Now, always remember, if you're doing the same thing you did last year, you ain't growing. Enjoy your day. All right, y'all. I'm just going to put this at the end. I know people see me harvest a whole bunch of stuff, and they might not want to see it again, but it's a couple people love all kind of harvesting. So I'm going to do my harvest, and I'm going to put this at the end of the video, y'all. Enjoy it. A few of my pineapple tomatoes, it's still going strong. I've got so many off it at this point. All right, lemon blush tomato. And as the name say, when they start blushing, I come get them. I mean, they didn't get huge on this particular plant, but you get enough of them together. Look at that. Striped tomatoes. Can't go wrong, y'all. Can't go wrong. This is definitely my best tomato year, y'all. Definitely. I got tomatoes, especially slicing tomatoes, on top of tomatoes. And I don't want to say this for sure, but once I understood better what Blossom End right was, and I wasn't flooding my soil with all kind of nutrients that I thought would help, they got better. That's neither here nor there. A couple more. What kind of cherry tomato this was? Oh, these are sun gold too. These are almost overripe. These are the ones you just want to pop in your mouth and go. These are snack. Look at that. These are beautiful tomatoes, y'all. Beautiful tomatoes. And I want to pick up a couple ground cherries. Just a couple. Just to help with my energy level as I walk through the garden. But yeah, we're going to get some of this stuff, y'all. It might not be for everybody. Somebody right now thinking to themselves, I've seen you harvest these sun gold 100 times. Cool beans. Well, you know, go do something else and let the video play. And go and let your cuz get them watch time. Nothing wrong with that. But for the people who love to see good harvest, that's what we're here for. These are for the OGs of gardening. People here who for the gardening content. Look at that. I ain't picked these in a couple days. Oh my goodness, that was a mistake. They are going bad and I gotta get all my food, y'all. I grow vegetables to eat. I don't know why everybody else grow. Look at that. It's just tomatoes that are no good at this point. Look at that. It's no good. Look at it. Bug, get off my goddamn tomatoes. Trying to make this fast, y'all. Couple pear. Stretched out by the rain. We don't want to eat them. All right. Is that a bug? It was a bug. All right. Let's get this good food, y'all. All right, y'all, look at some of this okra. Let's see what's ready. This is the Star David okra. I grew it last year. I did not plant any seeds for it. But there you go. All right, let's get all this okra off here. Fun fact, you don't want the okra to get too big. You want to get it while it's small. Get too big and get woody, the taste value goes down. And the more, I don't know why that's yellow, but the more you harvest it, the more they're gonna produce. So catch them young, get them off your plant, and it'll fill your freezer up in no time. These little okra hard to see. And they grow by the day, y'all. I cannot make this up. Is that all the okra? Really? And what I do, I start a freezer bag of okra, and as I get it, I just put it in the bag. All right, let's get some of these ground cherries, y'all. Ground cherries are delicious. They are small, so you need a bunch of them. And they all on the grind, and this is why you will have ground cherries forever. By the time you start getting them off the grind, they were already bust open, the little husk. And now you got ground cherry seeds everywhere. And you ain't got to worry about it being too dirty, y'all. They got the husk on it to protect. All right, y'all. It's our harvest for today. Go ahead on.